YouTube, what's good, man? Out here today, get ready to sand. We'll start some of the sanding on the left. Bring y'all along for the ride. Video won't be that long, just showing you a couple shots of the sanding. Yeah, we're gonna rock with that shit, man. So here we go, man. Starting out with some 120 grit, and you know, just gonna give a good scuff. Do a little feather edging. As you see right there, I got a piece of sandpaper hitting my little curves and stuff on there with some sandpaper, hitting those by hand. Today's pretty rainy, kind of cold, man. I know out in Texas they're getting some pretty bad weather, but down here we just been getting a good bit of rain and some cold air. So yeah, that's why I got on the hoodie, you know, trying to stay warm, man. Drop down in the comments if y'all, you know, let me know what the weather is and whatever state you calling from. Whatever state you viewing from. So yeah, still out here, you know, trying to get it done. I started on the hood day 4 yesterday, and had a couple more spots on it to touch up. But as you can see, I'm looking at the body a little bit, just overlooking it, you know, trying to see what's going on, and getting it done, man. Right here, I had a couple spots on the rear clip. Still currently looking for a rear clip. I might try to make the one that's on there work, but if anybody know anybody with good prices on the rear clip for 88 Chevy Caprice, let me know. But back here now, working on that and trying to get that done. That's my neighbor, man. He used to paint back home in Miami, so he giving me a couple tips right here. Good guy, man. He got his own lawn service, Clayton Lawn Care. You can look him up on Google. Now I'm just rinsing down the car. That's sanded what I'm gonna sand for today. And yeah, man, just taking my time, rinsing everything down before I pull it back in the house. And there you have it, man. Some of the sanding. I got it rinsed off already. But there's some of the sanding been done. Making progress. What's up, YouTube? Just an update on Belinda, man. We getting masked up for prime, man. Getting ready to prime up. That's what we got so far. And everything taped off. We're gonna start priming our spots up. Yeah, we're getting it did, man. Yes, sir. Got the first coat of primer applied. And we're gonna start blocking. It's still drying up now. We'll be ready to start blocking. I might apply another coat of primer before I start blocking. And we're gonna keep the project moving forward. Yes, sir.